guys, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, we are going to be, today's wash day, basically. Washing my hair. I took my braids out. And I'm going to just wash my hair today. So what I like to do once I take braids out of any kind, I have to detangle. And I just go slowly from the ends up. So I got a new blow dryer, so I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you how. And I really like the blow dryer. I used it right before I did my braids. And it's like that brush blow dryer. I like it. My daughter likes it. And I got that one because my other one blew out. My Paul Mitchell one, which I'm so sad about. But I don't want to get another blow dryer quite yet. So I got that one. I don't want to spend the money. So this is all the dead hair from over the past 3 weeks. Y'all should know me. Out the shower and washing my hair. I did my skincare and now we are back to the hair. So let me say this about the JVN hair product. I really go off of, I don't like fruity scent. I will say, as far as the scent is concerned, it smells like clean smelling. It just smells fresh. The texture was very smooth on the mask and the shampoo. Once I put in the conditioner, the mask, the texture gets me. I was taught in hair school to really, however the product will make your hands feel, is going to do that to your hair as far as anything. Shampoo, conditioner, hairsprays, hair gels. That's how it's going to make your hair feel. When I put the mask on my hair, it was very creamy. Very creamy. And I put a little bit more because it fell in the shower. I don't know how you content creators who do hair in the shower. Oh, I'm going to get better though. It fell in the shower, so I just scooped up what fell out and I used it on my hair. So when I put it in my hair, that's when I really noticed it's gonna be moisturizing. And how my hair feels once I rinse it out. Let me tell y'all, that mask, those are the only 2 products I use. I didn't mix any other product. I didn't use any other shampoo before because you guys know I have dry scalp, but I didn't use my shampoo for it. I used those 2 products. And if y'all can feel my hair, it feels so good. Like, I don't know. And I have new growth, and y'all, my hair just feels really good. Where's my phone? So let me go ahead and start to style my hair, and I will be back. guys, my hair, oh, and I just cut my ends, so my hair feels so good. I like it a lot. Like, I'm gonna continue to use it. My hair is flowing and moving. I like it. You guys can see my hair has grown out. It was literally like up to here. Really fly.
Change ever since we was on